Lowering the cost of housekeeping excellence requires unrivaled and sustainable cleaning practices. What is soil? On a dish, we call it food. On a carpet, we call it soil. When it's not where you wish it to be, it's soil. You have the dry, which is a broom, or a dust mop, or a hand duster, or an electric vacuum. Wet soil remover could be a carpet extractor, a wet mop, a spray and wipe setup, a power washer, or a vacuum picking up dirty solution. A properly diluted cleaning solution, such as detergent, is normally usable on surfaces on which water may be used in cleaning. A spot is a soil buildup area that can be washed away, whereas a stain is a surface color change that cannot be washed away. Washing is moving soil from where it is not wanted to where it's okay down the drain. Soil is home and food for germs and other microorganisms. Germs and microbes break out nutrients from within the soil to return them back into the earth for reuse. As germs and microbes process the soil, foul-smelling gases are often released. The bottom line, if you have odors, soil is going to be nearby. Nature has only 3 soils: acid, alkaline, and binders. Similar to batteries, acid and alkaline soils hold a static electric charge that helps them cling to surfaces like a magnet, such as dust clinging to a wall as you see in the photo. Most acid and alkaline soils dissolve in water, such as sugar, flour, yeast, or eggs, and they get mixed into and held by the cleaning solution. Soil that is partially dissolved or broken up by a detergent is called soil particulate. They're tiny sized grit pieces found at the bottom of a mop bucket, wash pail, etc., after dumping out the dirty water. Grit that remains on a floor after mopping or auto-scrubbing is part of a left-behind soil film that causes scratches, scuff marks, floor finish dulling, and unsafe burnishing dust. Binders are grease, oil, and animal fat. Binders repel and do not mix with water. Acting as glue, binders securely hold acid and alkaline soils together or locked on to a surface. In order for binders to mix with water, they need to be emulsified, that is, chemically chopped up into micro-sized pieces. Here we have a container of grease and water. You add detergent, and after adding the detergent, everything is now one. That's called emulsification. And now the water and the binders are 100% mixed, and the emulsified binders can now travel with the water without sticking to other things along the way. Acid soils are generally tracked into and throughout a building from outside. You use alkaline detergent, also known as general detergent, to wash acid-based soils. Residue from alkaline soils and minerals are found on kitchen and bathroom fixtures, drinking fountains, sinks, showers, etc. Most hand soaps are alkaline-based, which makes their scum film alkaline soil. Use acid-based bathroom detergent to wash alkaline-based soil. Use acid-based bathroom detergent to remove alkaline buildup from swimming pool decks. Squeaky clean swimming pool decks help prevent slipping and are most sanitary. The benefit of using cold water mixed with a high-performance detergent. Binders float to the water's surface with a strong grip on its soil load. The surface being washed normally dries squeaky clean and sanitary. The absence of left-behind binders dramatically reduces the speed at which new soil will be collected. The disadvantages of using hot water for washing. Hot water melts binders, which releases their grip on the acid and alkaline soils. Released soils now move freely in the washing solution. As the water's heat moves into the cold surface being washed, many melted binders re-stick back onto the cold surface and proceed to snatch soils floating in the washing solution. Soil-grabbing binders remain sticky even after a surface dries, which causes new soil collection to take place at an accelerated speed. As soil levels build, odors, slipperiness, and ugliness intensify. To achieve housekeeping excellence, educate, train, and recognize worker achievement. Teach using a logical format. Logical facts are easy to remember. Set protocol for symptoms versus problems. Symptoms warn of problems that need solving. Solving problems raises staff performance levels. Use Gabriel high-performance products because they reduce product consumption, raise productivity, and improve job quality. It's a win-win-win situation. And a clean surface is sanitary and odor-free. Here's some pictures that were sent to us by customers who use our housekeeping system. Thank you. To learn more about our housekeeping education and training systems using high-performance products, call us at 800-873-2000, or you can email us or go to our website. Visit our Education and Training Center at the Gabriel website. We'll help you achieve extraordinary results for less than your current cost. Again, thank you.